So to create a table, what you do is that you say create table, then you type in the table name. So I'm going to say cars. Alright, so create table cars, and I'm going to open two parentheses and put a semicolon there. Now we are going to say how many rows we will have in our table. Well, let's say that we want to have 3 rows, so I'm going to say ID integer primary key. So this means that this ID is a primary key and it will auto increment, and each car will have its own number. So now we are going to add name, so car name text, put a semicolon here, then I'm going to say car number, so car num. Alright, so this will be integer. Alright, so now we have created a basic table. It has 3 rows. 1 is ID, 1 is the car name, and 1 is the car number. So now what I'm going to do is that I'm going to insert some data into this table. So what I'm going to do is that I'm going to say insert into, alright, and then table name cars, then I'm going to say values, alright, then open two parentheses and put a semicolon. So I'm going to say ID, so this will be 1, comma, and then car name, I'm going to say BMW in two quotations, because this one is a text, as you notice right here. The car name is the text, so you'll have to type that in, then put a comma here, and then comes the number. So I'm going to say just add a number here. Alright, and now what I'm going to do is that I'm going to copy this line of code. So I'm going to paste it 3 or 4 more times just to save time, and I'm going to change this one to number 2, number 3, number 4, number 5. Alright, and this one I'm going to change the names of the cars. So I'm going to say Kia, say Audi, and some other things, so Honda, and this one will be BMW also. And I'm going to change the numbers. So now we have inserted 5 values to our table. Now we are ready to display it. So we are going to say select all from table name cars. Alright, so now this is the query, and as you notice, we simply displayed it. So now we have used this line of code to simply display this query, and this is how you use the code. And what's cool about SQL or SQL is that it doesn't matter if you type in insert like this or if you type in insert in small letters. It's the same. Alright, that's the beauty of SQL. So I hope this video was informative, everyone. Don't forget to like the video and subscribe to my YouTube channel. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comments below. So thank you for watching to my videos, and I'll see you all in the upcoming video.